Komento na itong si Quiambao patungkol kay QMB 2 araw bago maganap etong laban ng Pilipinas kontra Guam. Yan, matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. This Friday nga mga bularo, alam naman natin na opisyal lang magaganap etong isa sa 2 laban ng Pilipinas kontra Guam. Kung saan sa isang panayam nga kay Cone last Monday, nabanggit na ito kung gaano raw kahirap ang ensayo na dinanas ng kanyang mga bata.
We've been killing these guys. We've been practicing every day since we've been together. Did 2-a-days on Friday, 2-a-days on Saturday, 2-a-days on yesterday. Did a hard scrimmage yesterday, a full game type scrimmage, which is hard because each team only had 7 players. So play a 40-minute game with only 7 side was really hard. So we've really been pushing them, and we had another hard practice today. So we really felt like, okay, if we get to the games, they'll know what to do, but they won't have the legs to do it.
Dagdag pa niya na ngayong window mas ibang atake raw ang kanyang ipinagawa sa Gilas Boys.
Like I said earlier in the talk, we took a little different approach this time. We really pushed much harder than we normally have done in the previous windows. Kind of wanted to have a more aggressive style, and so we're going to play with a more aggressive style. That means guys got to be ready to get up and down the floor. So we did a lot of that in practice.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa kabilangan ng di pagkakapasok ni Juan sa Final 12 list ni Cone na inanunsyo last Monday, marami pa ring Gilas Pilipinas fans ang natuwa matapos makalusot sa listahan netong si QMB. Kung saan sa isang panayam nga kay Quiambao, nahingan to ng komento regarding dyan.
It's been a roller coaster ride. Alam mo, yung basketball, maliit lang yung mundo. So yung kalaban mo dati in college, kampi ko na ngayon si QMB. So malaki yung matutulong na sa team, knowing na hindi pa ready si Kai for this window. Yung length and yung versatility niya to play around the paint. Then yung obviously rebounding kasi ayun nga, mas last Asia Cup kulang kami, kumbaga kami yung isa sa pinakamaliit na team. So having him in Gilas, malaking tulong.